First off, I'm going to jump to Excel. Okay, I've just chucked in just a heap of dummy data for Excel. And the reason I want to show this is a very popular Excel report that you'll see is business and personal. Sometimes you separate them. Some smaller businesses will blend them if it's a mum and dad company. But the idea is that you can put opening balances of your bank, your income, your expenditure, your closing bank balance over like a 12 months. So this is a very simple example. But the point I want to illustrate, which I'm sure you guys on the call have seen this many times, this type of visual. But what I want to illustrate to you is the comparison, is the inputs, okay? And this is why, in my opinion, Excel has reigned supreme for 25 years, and it will continue to reign supreme, is because of the custom nature of what you can do here. Like I don't know if I jump down to like wedding, I've got a wedding planned, and that needs to be more because prices have gone up. So you can literally update these inputs and customize things really granularly on what you're trying to do. So this is what I'm trying to illustrate here is really important, is the custom nature and the input mechanisms here. Excel is brilliant for input mechanism, and that's why the three-way forecasting and things like that are so powerful in Excel.